So, what is the purpose of the program? Basically, it's enabling women to take charge of their personal career management in order to achieve leadership roles and, in some instances, board roles as well. So, unashamedly, jobs for the girls here, but more particularly, leadership jobs for the girls. So, that's really what the purpose of the program is, but also enabling you to think more strategically about your personal career management. And this is why Sheena who's co-authored this program with us, is so integral to it, because she's pretty much over her long career, had just about everybody walk through the door and say, I'm thinking I might sort of want a change. And Sheena goes, oh, well, that's fine, but sort of what would you like to do? And then people not knowing. So Sheena, at the end of her her career, has actually pulled all this intel together and developed a fabulous template or pro forma and process for people to think about this much earlier. So it's about you taking charge of what you want to do within your career, and it's not too late to start. So that's the other message from this as well.